In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of iQOO Z10 Lite 5G. The box of iQOO Z10 Lite 5G looks like this. Here you can see the model number iQOO Z10 Lite 5G, cyber green color. The back of the box looks like this. It is manufactured in India. The price mentioned on the box is 14,999, but I got this for 10,999. And here you can see the branding. The branding is everywhere. And here you can see the 6GB variant, 128GB internal memory. So without wasting any time, let's open the outer cover. Let's remove the plastic wrap. This is how the box looks. Now let's remove the seal. Here is the seal. Let's open the phone from the box. Here you can see that. Here is the phone. Let's keep the phone aside. Let's see what we got inside the box. There is a case, warranty card, quick start guide. Here you can see the travel adapter. It's from Vivo. Along with that, we get a USB A to Type C cable, and we also receive a SIM ejector tool. Here is a SIM ejector tool. Here is the phone. iQOO Z10 Lite is equipped with 6000 mAh battery, so you can clearly see the bulkiness of this phone. It is bulky compared to other phones. The back of the phone looks like this. Let's try to turn on. Here is the power button. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device. iQOO 5G powered by Android, and it will show you the welcome screen. Click on start and select the country and accept the terms and conditions and click on next. Skip. I would like to set up this phone as a new one, so I am going to click on skip and connect to any Wi-Fi network. If you want, you can sign into your Google account. Otherwise, you can click on skip and select the gesture navigation, whether you want 3-button navigation or gesture navigation. I will go with 3-button navigation and click on next. Click on get started. Now you can see that the phone has been booted up. This is how the user interface looks. Now let's open the settings and check the version of Android. Scroll down and click on about phone. Here you can see FunTouch OS 15. Android version is 15. Here you can see that. Now let's look at the physical overview of this device. This phone has a big display, 6.74 inch LCD display. Coming to the front facing camera, it has 5 megapixel front facing camera. Coming to the back, it has dual camera setup. One is a 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth camera, and you can see the flash. And at the top you can see the speaker grill. On the left side you can see the SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray. Here is a SIM ejector tool which you got inside the box. This is how the SIM tray looks. You can use 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. You can easily expand your internal memory with the micro SD card. At the bottom you can see the 3.5 mm headphone jack, Type C port for charging. On the right side you can see the volume rockers up and down and the power button. Let's open the camera and let's take few sample shots. Since it's a budget phone, you cannot expect greater quality from this device. This is how the front facing camera looks. Now let's look at the rear camera. Compared to the front facing camera, the photos taken on the rear facing camera is good in the artificial lighting. Since it has a 5 megapixel front facing camera, the photos taken on the front facing camera will not be great. So if you are planning to gift a phone to your parents, this might be the phone because it has a good processor and it can give you good battery life. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of iQOO Z10 Lite 5G. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.